Good good morning everyone. Today we are starting with chapter number 8, Fun with Scratch. Right? In the previous chapter we have used all the sprites and the backgrounds, which how we have learned how to add the background and sprite on the stage, right? Now in this chapter we will learn how can we create our own sprites. आप जो sprites जो पहले से available हैं scratch में, except those sprites you can also create your own sprites. ठीक है, we have different tools in scratch using which we can create our own sprite. Let us understand one by one all the tools which we have. So I am opening scratch first. So to create your own sprites, you have to go to the costume tabs. In costume tab, we have different options like copy, paste, delete, flip horizontal. Flip horizontal means towards the left side. Flip vertical, the upward down movement hai. Flip horizontal, left and right movement hai, right? And from here you can give a name to your costume. Matlab, if you wanted to change the name of this cat, you can change the name of the cat. Using this button you can undo and redo whatever you have done just now. You can undo and redo. You can group the objects together. You can ungroup the objects. Forward, backward movement you can do. Front and back also you can do. Right? From here, you can select the colors. From here, you can select the outline. And this is the size of the outline, right? Okay. Now, these are the tools. First is the select tool. For example, this is a cat and I wanted to reduce the size of this cat. So I will select it using the select tool. Now, the whole cat is selected. Now, from this circles which are coming on the corner, in the corners of the cat, you can reduce the size of the cat. You can increase the size of the cat also. Okay, using these corner circles, these are called as handles. So using these corner handles, you can increase or decrease the size of this cat. If you wanted to rotate this cat, so this is an arrow which you can see, a blue color arrow at the bottom. Using this arrow, you can rotate this cat also in any direction which you want, right? Okay. Next tool is this tool is called shape tool. Using this, you can also change the shape of the cat. For example, let's try to create a cat, a copy of this cat. I am going to first make it look straight. So let's rotate it again using this tool. And move this cat here. Okay. Now let's try to create a copy of this cat. So this is a circle tool. This is a line tool, bucket tool, text tool. If you want to write anything, paint brush tool, and this is eraser. Okay, let's start with the face of the cat. So I am creating the face of the cat. We will change the colors later. We can change the colors anytime. Let's say I wanted to use this color. Okay. Now, how will I change the shape of this circle to make the face of the cat? So using this tool, you can change. Select this tool. Now bring your cursor over the corners. Now click on the corner and drag it First select, put 3 dots like this. Now drag it. And now let's make it, put 2 dots here also. And now stretch it. Right? Now I wanted to make this face circle look bigger from here also. So let's stretch it from here. Okay. Now let's stretch it from here also. Like this, you can design the face. Now I'm going to create the eyes of the cat. But for that, I'll choose a different color because otherwise it will not appear. Now just rotate it a little bit like this. One more circle and again rotate it like this. Place it wherever you want it to place. Now I wanted to do some changes in this circle because I think this shape is not proper. So we can undo it. Control plus Z you can do, or you can press this button to undo. Okay, now the shape is removed. I will create a copy of this shape. So select this shape. Select this shape. Copy it, Control plus C, and paste it, Control plus V. Now place it here. Okay, now let's make the nose. I will also change the color of the cat. Okay. Now I'm going to create the mouth of this cat using this tool. So first I need to create a circle, but I think I should change the color. Okay. Now let's change the shape of this circle using this tool. Now place it. Now place it wherever you wanted to place. And if you wanted to rotate it, using this tool, you can rotate. Right? Now let's make a nose. Using this tool, I will change the shape of the nose also. And in the same way, using this line tool, you can join the lines. Let's create it first with the help of lines. Then we will do the changes later. Keep on joining these lines like this. And now it's time to make the tail of the cat. Okay, now we will give the different curves to the cat. We can also make the mustaches. Okay, now let's give the curves. So using this tool, shape tool, you can give curves. Stretch it a little bit. Give it a circular shape. Okay, let's fill the color now. We are not able to fill color because I think these shapes are not closed. So first we have to make it a closed shape, then only we can fill colors in it. Right. This shape is also maybe open from somewhere, and we need to check out from where it is open. So using these joints, you can click on these joints to check from everywhere and then try to fill color. till the time you will not close these shapes properly, na, you will face this issue. You will not be able to fill color. Mm, hmm. Let's close all the shapes like this. Now let's check. No, this shape is still open. Hmm. Check in the hand now. You can, if you are not able to fill, you can also use this tool to fill color. Then you have to make sure that you have to be very careful so that it will not go out. Okay, so we have completed a cat. I know it is not looking very good exactly like this one, but we are very close to it. So it is totally up to your practice. The more practice you will do, the more accurate uh, drawings you will be able to create, right? So you have to create your own drawings like this, own sprites like this. And after creating, you can rotate them also. You can change the color also like this. You can rotate them also, make it bigger or smaller. Okay, sorry, the tail of the other one is also getting selected. You can make it a smaller or bigger. You can rotate them also. Like this, you have to create your own sprites. You can create a rabbit, elephant, or anything. That is your choice what you wanted to create. I hope it is clear to everyone. How can you create your own sprites?